With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The given question is, in how many solids only London dispersion force exists? Then here also given dry ice, then solid I2, then solid xenon, then rock salt, then helium gas. Then the question say how many solid only London dispersion force exist. First we know it is London dispersion force. Here is right London. Here is right London dispersion force. We know the non-polar molecules are called what? London dispersion force, where mu or dipole moment is 0. Here mu or dipole moment is 0. Then come from our question. Here given dry ice. Here write down it dry ice. Dry ice is a what? Solid CO2. Solid CO2, which is a what? Non-polar. Which is a what? Non-polar molecule, because of the dipole moment or mu is 0 in dry ice. So we come from our next is ice. Here we write ice, or it is called water. Water is a what? Polar molecule. Why? Because of hydrogen bonding. Then we come from our next is solid I2. Solid I2 is a what? Non-polar, because of dipole moment or mu is 0, right? Non-polar. Then we come from our next is solid xenon. So here we write solid. Here we write what? Solid xenon, which is a what? Non-polar element, because of dipole moment or mu is 0 here. So we come from our next is rock salt. Here we write rock. Here we write what? Rock salt. Rock salt is a what? NaCl is also called a rock salt. In rock salt or NaCl, here the ion forces of attraction. Here we write ion what? Forces of attraction. So here London forces of attraction is not exist due to ion forces of attraction. Come from our next is helium gases. Here we write here helium gases. Here helium gases is a what? Non-polar. Here we write non-polar element, because of dipole moment or mu is 0 here. Then here also non-dispersion forces exist. So here we count how many London dispersion forces here exist. Here dry ice is a what? Non-polar element. So here also London dispersion forces is exist. Here number 1 solid I2 is a what? Non-polar element. So it is number 2. Then here xenon is a what? Non-polar element. So xenon is number 3. Then rock salt, London dispersion force is not exist. So we come from our next is helium gas. Helium gas is a what? Non-polar element. So here also London dispersion forces exist. There are 4 what? Solid, only London dispersion force exists. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.